Good morning, children. Sairam. I welcome you all again in the computer class. I hope you all are enjoying the computer lectures and you all are doing computer work in Computers Fair notebook. So today, children, we will start a new chapter number 3, types of computer software. In this chapter, we will discuss about system software, application software, directory and the file system, working with files and folder, operating system, and at last we will discuss how to shut down the computer. In computer, children, there are mainly two important elements, hardware and software. Both the hardware and the software we need for the proper functioning of a computer system. So first we will discuss what is hardware. Computer hardware is the collection of all the computer parts that we can physically touch and feel. For example, all the input devices and the output devices that we have discussed in our previous chapter, like monitor, printers, CPU, floppy disk, hard disk, CD, DVD and mouse, etc. Now, software. What is a computer software? A computer software is not something we can touch or feel. Software is a set of instructions for a computer to perform specific operations. Children, the software is the collection of programs or the collections of instructions that tells a computer system what to do. A software helps hardware for its proper functioning. Software can be classified into two major categories. It means that the software is divided into two parts. First is system software and the second one is application software. In this chapter, children, we will discuss broadly about both the types of softwares. The system software is further divided into three parts: operating system, language processor, device drivers and utilities. The language processor is of three types: assembler, interpreter, compiler. Now, application software is of three types: general purpose software, special purpose software and the customized software. Now we will discuss about system software in the detailed manner. What is the system software? System software is the software used to manage and control the hardware component and which allow the interaction between the hardware and the other types of software. Children, the system software is the most important software of a computer system. It allows the user to interact with the hardware and the other types of computer softwares. These are some example of system softwares. The system software sits directly on the top of our computer hardware components and allows the computer system to work properly. The system software are further divided into four types that we already discussed. Now we will discuss in the detail about the all four types of the system softwares. First we will start with the operating system. What is the operating system? An operating system is a program designed to run other program on a computer. A computer's operating system is its most important program. The operating system is the interface between the user and the hardware of a computer system. It is considered as the backbone of the computer. It is managing both software and hardware device. Operating systems are responsible for each and everything from the controlling and allocation of memory to input from from external devices and output to the computer display. What is the meaning of this line, children? It means that the operating system is responsible for taking the input data from the input devices and for providing the output data to the output devices, or providing the output to the output devices. Now the language translator. What is language translator? Children, as we already know that computer can only understand the machine language, which is in the form of binary language 0 and 1. The programmers are writing the programs in the human understandable language, but it cannot be understood by the computer. So for the machine understanding, we need a translator, and that translator is known as language translator. So it is another system software which converts high level language or an assembly language to the machine level language for the purpose of machine understanding. So by this picture, children, it is clear that the programmers are writing the program in the human understandable language, but it is not understandable by the machine. So for that we need a language translator that translate the program written by the programmer into the machine level language. For that we are using three types of translator: assembler, compiler and interpreter. Now we will discuss about them in detail. First, what is compiler? A compiler is a programming language processor that translates a whole program written in a high level language into machine language program. Compiler, children, compile the program whole together. Okay, and the speed of compiled program is generally more than the interpreted program. Now next one is interpreter. Interpreter is a computer language processor that translates a program written in high level language into machine language line by line. You got the difference? The compiler compile the whole program together, but the interpreter compile line by line. Okay, and it carry out the specific action in the sequence. Now assembler. What is assembler? An assembler is a program that takes basic computer instructions and convert them into the patterns of bits that computer's processor can use to perform basic operations. Now we will discuss about the utility software. What is utility software, children? Utility software are those software which manage the other types of resources of the computer system. So in definition it is written there, utility software helps to manage, maintain and control computer resources. Operating system typically contains the necessary tools for this, but separate utility programs can be provided to improve the functionality of a computer system. It is the software such as antivirus, firewalls, disk defragmenters and so on, which help to maintain and protect the computer system but does not directly interact with the hardware of the computer system. If we are having any problem related to the computer system, then we can solve it through the utility software. For example, antivirus. Antivirus help us to remove the bugs from the computer system, or we can say the antivirus utility scan for the computer virus. Now, some important utilities that we are using in our computer system are as follows: antivirus software, backup recovery, disk tools, text editor, compression utility, disk compression, and at last device drivers. These are the types of utilities that a computer system software provides, and we will discuss each of them in detail. First, start with the antivirus software. The antivirus software help to protect the computer system from viruses and other harmful programs. First of all, children, we will discuss what is a computer virus. A computer virus is a computer program that can cause damage to a computer hardware or data. The virus have the ability, children, to destroy the computer system. The virus have a characteristic that it replicates itself, and it can cause damage to our data, or it can delete our important data. So for this, for the removal of the viruses, we need the antivirus software in our computer system. These are some example of antiviruses that we all are using in our computer system. These are the softwares of antivirus. Now, next one is backup recovery. What is the meaning of backup recovery, children? We are using the different types of storage devices and the hard disk for storing the data. But in that case, there is a chance of that hard disk failure or the loss of that storage device or the loss of hard disk. So for that we need the backup recovery software. In those cases we need backup recovery software. This utility help in creation of backup of the files on our computer. Backup software help us to copy the most important files to the another storage device, such as external device, external hard disk. We can also make an exact copy of our hard disk. These days, backup software use cloud storage to create backups. This typically means we pay a fee to use the storage space of a third party and their backup software to manage files which are going to be backed up. Now, these are the software of disk tools. What is disk tool, children? Disk tool having a large number of software that help us in the management of different types of disk, hard disk, and the files. It includes a range of different tools that manage hard disk drives and the other storage devices. This includes utility to scan the hard disk for any potential problem, disk cleaner to remove unnecessary files, and disk defragmenters as to reorganize file fragments on a hard disk drive to increase the performance of a computer system. Now the next one is text editor. What is text editor, children? Text editor is used for creating and editing text file having .txt extension. Here is one example. Notepad++ is also a text editor that help us to edit and create the text files. Now next one is compression utility. What is the meaning of compression, children? Compression means resizing something. So in computers we are using the compression utility to compress our data so that we can efficiently use our storage of the computer system. So here is the example. The original data is compressed by the compressor encoder. that is resized and converted into a small size, and it get decompressed also whenever we want to use that data, and that data should be converted into the original form so that we can work on it. Here is one example. The 50 KB file is compressed and it converted into the 20 KB. That helps us in the proper storage management. Now, the definition of compression utility. The compression utility allow compression of large files in order to save storage space. After file compression, the file is saved in a special format that takes less space. This file can be extracted in original form later whenever required. I told you earlier also that it is converted. We can convert it into the original form also so that we can work on it. When these files cannot be used directly when compressed, so they have to convert into original form whenever you want to do some work on it. Now, disk compression. What is disk compression? Children, have a look on it. This utility program help in minimizing the fragment power disk. What is the meaning of this? Look, it means if we create a large file, then our computer stored it in different location, as one location might not be able to store the whole file because of the size of the file. So, this means that when we access this file, it will take more time, as our file is stored in different locations. This utility, so the disk compression utility program help in rearranging the fragmented files at a location such that the disk access time become less and the free space on our computer is arranged in a consecutive location. Now the last one is device driver. Children, just take an example of the driver of a car. It is same as the device driver. For moving a car, we need a driver that controls the car. Same as that, the device driver are the drivers of the hardware that control the hardware and help to work properly. A device driver is a software component that lets the operating system and a device communicate with each other. It's a program that controls a device. Every device, whether it be a printer, disk drive or a keyboard, must have device drivers program. Many drivers such as keyboard driver come with the operating system. Yes children, our computer operating system have many drivers itself when we are installing the operating system. But if we are using a new device, for example a scanner, a plotter, any type of device or any type of hardware device, we need a driver for it. We have to install the driver of that hardware in our computer system. So it is written here also, for other devices we may need to load a new driver when we connected the device to our computer. So by this children, we have ended the system software, and in our next class we will continue with the application software. Till then children, you do this home assignment in your notebook. Please take care of yourself children, your family members. Do studies properly. Thank you. Sai Ram.